Okay, so
If you don't mind, I can record the session.
okay, so you're here with your students?
Yeah.
How many students do you have today?
Just a minute. So students are all request to turn your cameras on. All of you turn your cameras on.
Okay. Hi guys, how are you? Are you still learning from home?
No, actually,
Yes.
no,
Are you?
they are not learning from home, and we are back to school. We are back to school almost in the month of August. But in order to connect with our friends from America and some other countries across the globe, we have to join the session right from our homes. So we feel really a great honor. Yeah.
Okay, so this is my class. I'm just gonna show you. Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your classroom looking so vibrant and nice. So, hi students.
Hi. This is my class. Say hi.
So looking superb. Looking superb.
Thank you so much. Yes, turn on the lights.
Yeah.
And this is me. I cover my hair
Yeah.
because of COVID, because we're here in school and I'm very careful, so I try to cover my hair. But I'm gonna show you a picture of me.
Yeah.
Here, this is me.
Yeah, perfect. Perfect.
Okay.
So nice. Yeah.
Okay. So
Shall we?
boys and girls,
Yeah.
we're going to, I think we're going to play. My name is Mrs. Basulto. Well, Basulto is my last name. Can you hear me Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. We can hear you.
You can hear me? But hold on. Let me get my microphone.
Yeah, we can hear you clearly. Basanta, we can hear you clearly. Absolutely.
Okay, perfect. Okay. I just said that my first name is Martha. My last name is Basulto.
Basuto.
And this is my 4th grade class, and we're very excited to meet new friends.
Yeah.
So boys and girls, say hello.
So students, turn your cameras on and wave the hands. Wave the hands. All of you wave the hands. All of you turn your cameras and wave the hands. Jagadish, Sai Surya, Stuti, Nandini, Manaka, everybody. Everybody has to wave your hands. Yeah. So fun. So fun to look at your students. Yeah.
Your name, the teacher's name, how do you say your name again?
Yeah, my name is Hari Krishna. Hari, you can call me Hari or Krishna. It's your choice. It's up to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Okay, we will see if you guys want to play like a kind of a mystery Zoom and figure it out where we are at. You want to play that?
Yeah, we are ready. We are ready to play the mysterious game. So one of my students is going to ask you a question. So who is going to ask the first question?
Okay.
Deepti.
Yes, sir. Hello. My name is Deepti. I am studying 7th grade. My hobbies are reading books, playing games, and watching TV. My life ambition is to become a doctor. Can I ask one question?
Absolutely. Go ahead.
Is your country located in northern hemisphere?
Okay, look at the map. Are we in the northern hemisphere? Okay, this is the northern hemisphere and then the southern hemisphere. Okay, who has the answer? Mila, come. Yes, you say yes, come. So you come here and you're gonna say, hi, my name is Mila. Laura, come on, say it. Look at the camera. Say, my name is Mila. Say your name. So Mila, go say yes. Yes, we are in the northern hemisphere.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's your turn. It's your turn.
Now, you want to ask a question? Come. Now we have one more student
Yeah.
from my class. You forget. Okay, who wants to ask a question from this class? Declan, come. Okay, this is Declan. So say, look, probably the camera's there. So say, hi, I'm Declan.
Hi, I'm Declan.
Hi.
So what do you want to ask them?
Are you guys in the southern hemisphere?
So students, so respond to
Are
me.
you in the
Respond to
southern?
the question. Are we from northern hemisphere or southern hemisphere?
Southern hemisphere.
No,
hemisphere.
no way. No way.
Northern hemisphere. Hemisphere.
Usma, respond.
Northern hemisphere, sir.
Yes.
Okay, we are in the, they are in the, this is southern?
No, we are from northern hemisphere.
Oh, they're in the northern hemisphere. So the answer is no, they're not in the southern hemisphere. Okay, now it is your turn.
Yeah.
Your turn now.
Yeah.
Go
Who is
ahead.
going to ask the second question?
Sir,
Yeah.
is your country located between two oceans?
Okay, look at the map. Is our country located between two oceans? Where are we anyway? I know. Okay, is our country located between two oceans? Okay, Cornelia, come here. No, Cornelia, come. Okay, say your name. This is Cornelia. Say your name, Cornelia.
My name is Pranaya Matthews, and yes, we are located to two oceans.
And the answer is yes. We are located between two oceans, the North Pacific and
Yeah.
and
Who is
the
going to-
Atlantic
yeah,
Ocean.
It's
Yes.
our turn. It's our turn. Who is going to ask the third question?
Okay, now it is our turn, right?
Yeah. It's your
Okay.
turn. It's your turn. Yes.
Okay. You have a question? Come. Are you nervous? Why, Papi?
I'm really nervous.
Okay, they are a little bit nervous. I don't know why. Okay, this is Alex. Go ahead, Alex. Say hi. I'm Alex. Hi, I'm Alex. No, wait, because you're talking. We cannot hear you. Go.
Hi, I'm Alex. I play baseball. And are you guys in the West Hemisphere?
In the northwest part of the hemisphere? Okay. Are you in the west? We know that you said that you are in the northern hemisphere, but are you on the west?
Answer to this question, students. Who can answer to this question? Can anybody answer to this question? So ours actually is located.
Sir, repeat the question.
So ours is northern hemisphere. We are located in northern hemisphere. So are we located western hemisphere or northeastern hemisphere?
Are you to the west of the northern hemisphere, like northwest?
Yeah, like
Are you to the west?
Yeah, like the Northwest.
The northwest.
So
Or
northeast.
the northeast?
Northeast. Yeah. We are from northeast.
Okay, so they're not in the north, they're not in the west, they are in the east. Okay, wait, but it's their turn now.
On this side, you're in the north.
It's your turn now, so you can go
Yeah.
ahead.
Okay.
Wait.
So who is going to ask the third question?
Sir, can I
It's your
say
turn, no? It's your
So
turn.
Deepti.
Yes.
No, sir, Pavitra, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, Pavitra.
Hi,
Okay,
my name is Pavitra. I am studying 7th grade. My hobbies are reading books, playing games, and watching TV. My future ambition is to become a software engineer. Can I ask a question?
Absolutely, go ahead.
Does Tropic of Cancer pass through the USA?
Okay, the line of the tropic, you know, the line, the tropical line, right, does it cross the United States? Follow the map, yes.
No.
If you follow your map, it is.
Yes. No, it shows where the equator is and it doesn't.
Give us. Okay, give us, they need a little bit of time to look at the map. Okay. So, look at the, sorry, can you tell them the question again? Because they are looking at the map. So they
Yeah,
can
yeah.
look at the map.
So
Go ahead.
Pavitra, ask the question again.
Does Tropic of Cancer pass through the USA?
The tropic of Cancer crosses or passes the. Okay, Olivia, go ahead. This is say, hi, I'm Olivia.
Hi, Olivia. And it does cross through.
Yeah,
The
great.
answer is yes.
Yeah.
That's what I'm
So students,
Okay,
it's our turn.
our turn.
Yeah.
Our
Yes, it's
turn
your turn.
now.
Sir, can I ask?
No, wait. Their turn. It's their turn.
Okay, come. Okay, this is Matthew. And Matthew said that he wants to take a guess. Say hi, I'm Matthew. Can we take a guess?
Hi, Matthew. And can we take a guess where you're at?
Can we guess where you are at? Can we say louder so they can hear?
Can we guess where you're at?
Yeah, we can. Students, are you able to guess their location? Are you able to guess their location?
Okay, so ask them, can we guess?
Can we guess?
They say yes, so say, take a guess if you want.
Is your country
Guys,
Is your country India?
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yes. Yes.
So students, give them a big hand. Students, give them a big hand.
okay, do you want to take a guess? Do you want to take a guess where we are at?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead, they're gonna take a guess.
Yeah, now my students are going to ask you one more question, and who is going to ask the next question?
Sir, can I ask?
Yes, Lohita.
Absolutely, go ahead.
Sir?
Lohita, yeah.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, friends. My name is Lohita Girija. I am studying 8th grade. My hobbies are reading books, playing games, watching TV, and dancing. My future ambition is to become an English teacher. Can I ask one question?
Absolutely, go ahead. We love your hair. Pretty
Thank you, ma'am.
hair.
Thank you, ma'am. Why is Florida a good place for tourist location?
Oh, yes, it is a very good question. Okay, who wants to answer this question? Why is Florida a really good place for tourists? Okay, Venusi, come. Ellos sabían. Okay, say hi, I'm Venusi.
Hello, I'm Venusti.
Louder so they can hear you. Look at the camera over
Hi,
here.
I'm Venusti.
Why is Florida a good place for tourists, for visitors?
The reason why Florida is a good place for tourists is because there's so many alligators, there's so many different things. Florida is basically
Florida is a great place because of the weather, the beaches. It is always like an everlasting summer. It is always summer. So it is a really good place. Anybody else wants to add to the question? Matthew, you want to add to it? No. Matthew, Matthew wants to add why Florida is a great place to visit. Go ahead, Matthew.
Florida is a great place to visit, like because you can make new friends and the dogs don't bite.
Great. Next question. Who is going to ask the next question?
Sir, can I? Sir, can
Yes,
Okay.
Ramalakshmi. Ramalakshmi.
Hi ma'am, my name is Ram Lakshmi. I am studying 8th grade. My hobbies are reading books, playing games and watching TV. Can I ask one question ma'am?
Absolutely. Go ahead.
What was Miami original name?
What is Miami's original name?
Yes ma'am.
Well, our state is called the Sunshine State. That's how is it called. Mhm.
Right.
Because it is always sunny in here. That's why it's called the Sunshine State.
Yeah, next third question. Who is going to ask third question from our side?
You have
Sir, can
another
I ask?
question?
Yes, Bhagyasri.
Do you have a question for us?
So Bhagyasri, your voice is breaking. Bhagyasri, your voice is breaking. I am sorry. So next, who can ask this next question?
Sir, can I ask?
Nagalakshmi, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Hello, all of you. My name is Nagalakshmi. I am studying 8th grade. My hobbies are reading books and playing games. My future ambition is to become an English teacher. Can I ask one question, ma'am?
Yes, absolutely.
Why is Miami so popular?
Why is Miami so popular? From Josiah. Say your name. Say hi. No, wait. Guys, thank you. Go ahead, Josiah.
Hi, my name is Josiah. Miami is so popular because of its beaches.
Big beaches. Oh,
It is because of the beautiful beaches, and also we have one of the most famous, I would say, ecosystem in the country. It is the Everglades, so it is beautiful. It's a beautiful place with a lot of exotic animals, a lot of beautiful views to go to see, and it's very close to our school. It is pretty much in the backyard, so it's very close to us.
so
Yeah, right.
in fact, we love to visit your place because our region and your region almost the same in terms of weather conditions. India is warm and always tropical country. So the
Yes.
region where you are living is also tropical. I think we get used to your conditions very easily if we visit there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Anybody has any other questions?
Yeah, we have some questions. So who can ask the next question, please?
Sir, can I?
Yes, Taslima.
Hi friends.
Hi.
My name is Taslima Nasrin. I am studying 8th grade. My hobbies are reading books and playing games. My future ambition is to become an English teacher. Why is Miami called Magic City?
Oh, why is Miami called the Magic City? Like Magic Orlando and Magic Orlando. Why is it called? Okay, I need somebody else. Come on. I don't know. Why are we called the Magic City? Why is this magic? I need somebody else. Come on. Okay, let's see. Alex, come. Okay. So this is Alex again. Go ahead, Alex. Why is Miami a magic city?
Because it has a lot of sun and because
Why is it so magic?
because there's a lot of sun and it has it's exotic also because it has a lot of animals and different places like Miami Beach, Disneyland, like really cool places. like Universal, Disneyland.
Well, the Universal is not in Miami, but Miami has a lot of nice places to visit, like a
Like
lot
Dave
of
and
nice
Buster's.
museums.
Like Dave and Buster's museums, movie theaters, and there's a place called Game Time, like you just play video game.
A lot of places for the kids to go and play. A lot of museums, a lot of restaurants.
Yeah, and also, and the food here is really good.
Thank you.
Yes, the food is very, very delicious.
If you come, eat pizza.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Any more questions from our side? Students, any more questions?
Okay. Guys, do you have any questions for our friend? Matthew, you have a question? Do you have a question? No? Anybody has any questions? Mila, you have a question? One question. Mason, you have a question? Don't be afraid, come. Here he is, over here. So this is Mila. Mila, say hi.
Angela, and I have a question.
Please ask.
What is it like being in India?
What is it like being in India? Like, what do you do? Where do you go
Yeah.
for fun?
Yeah.
I don't know. How is it like to be there?
Students who can answer to this question, how is the life like in India? So how do you spend your time during the day, and how do you enjoy the time? Can anybody answer to this question? So how is it like in India? So if you are not interested to answer to this question, I can answer to this question. Are you ready? Can anybody answer to this question? How is the life like in India? So life,
peaceful
yeah.
weather like this. You're enjoying the school days and days.
Ronit, please, you just try to introduce yourself and say something about the life in India, please.
My name is Runit. I am studying 8th class. My hobbies are reading books, playing games. My life ambition is to become an Indian administrative service. We are enjoying the days in India. It is very peaceful in India. Weather.
Yeah. So how do you spend? How is the life like in India? You're living in a village, so there is not much entertainment. So, but the guys and girls who are in the classroom, they have a lots of entertainment. Miami is one of the popular iconic cities in the world. So life in India, in this part of the world, is absolutely, I think, little bit boring for your children, for you. And it's a village-like atmosphere, and most of their parents and all the villages, they get engaged in agricultural activities from morning to evening. So life is like very peaceful, as he mentioned. But students, they enjoy their time in school, and so they are so busy in after school hours, and they do their work at home. So life is like busy, but not as vibrant as Miami.
Yes, I know. Well, here, can you tell them what we do here? Like after school, we have activities. You want to tell them? Who wants to tell them? Come, Weston. Weston, come. Okay, this is Weston. Say hi.
My name is Weston.
Louder so they can hear you, and the camera is there.
Hi, my name is Weston, and what we do after school is homework. Homework.
Yes. Well, they do homework, but a lot of kids have a lot of activities after school. Like they go to ballet, they go to baseball, they go to soccer. Some kids go fishing because they have boats. Okay, you go fishing. Come tell them. Come here, you and Declan. So some kids, like, we have a professional fisher here. Come on, say your name. This is Declan, and look, the camera's there, puppy. And this,
Hi.
tell them.
swimming with my dad, maybe play basketball with my dad, and then record some videos for YouTube.
Mhm.
Very good. They go swimming, and this is Mason. Mason, go ahead and tell them what you do.
After school, I always go fishing on saltwater or freshwater, either way, and I've been fishing
Mhm.
in sailfish tournaments for 4 years.
Mhm.
Yeah, so they go fishing
good.
after school, and Mason has been fishing for 4 years, like in tournaments.
No,
He-
I've been fishing my
So-
whole life.
oh, he's been fishing his whole life, but he goes, oh, tournament for 4 years. So yes, and go. You want to tell them what you do?
I would like to ask my students. I would like to ask one of my students, what do they do after school? So who can answer to this
Okay.
question? Who can
That's
answer to this
fine. Go
question?
ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yes, Lohita. Lohita, you have already answered. Shruti,
They're
Shruti,
gonna
answer
say
to
what
this
they
question.
do after school, and they are in 8th grade. Okay.
Shruti.
Here, they're- yeah, we
Sorry,
have a
dear.
question.
Watch TV. After that, I attend Zoom session.
Shruti, Shruti.
After I will do homework.
Turn your camera and answer. No problem. Whether you are looking good or maybe some other look, no problem. Just go ahead and answer.
Our response, sir.
Okay. Please answer to this question.
I will see a TV in 1 hour.
Hmm.
After that, I will attend Zoom session.
Mhm.
After I will bath.
Mhm.
After
So-
that, I will do home.
Okay, it looks like it's I think you all actually you spend majority of the maximum time only on doing the homeworks and academics rather than getting some kind of relaxation. So here most of the kids here in this part of India, they like to spend their time doing their works, and some of them also attend some special tutorials to get I think to get additional information about their academics. Otherwise, I think they don't have any other fun activities like swimming and fishing and some other like your guys and girls do. And they're simply confined to a few activities, in fact.
That is nice. Very nice. Anybody? Do you have any other questions or anyone here
Yeah,
have any questions for our?
actually, we have 8 minutes time is left in this time slot. Yes, please
Okay.
you allow your students to ask the question, please.
Oh, it's our turn to ask questions?
Yeah, you can ask.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Okay, you have a question? And you have a question, sir? Okay, go ahead. Okay, I have a question for the teacher. Are all the students in 8th grade? Is that an 8th grade class?
Yeah, almost 8th graders. They're all 8th graders. Some are 7th graders also there. Some are 8th graders also
Okay.
there. So I would like to ask 8th graders raise their hands. 8th graders raise their hands. Okay.
Oh, look at all the 8th graders. Nice.
7th graders raise your hands.
Raise your hand if you're in 8th grade.
7th graders raise your
Nice.
hand. Yeah.
Wow. Very, very nice.
6th graders raise your hands. So only 6th grade, one girl is there, 6th grader.
Oh,
So
6th
Tedipia, you are
grade
the,
and
yeah,
8th
Tedipia is
grade.
only, yes, 2
Ah.
girls, two students are there. Yeah.
Nice, very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. Okay. Okay, this is Cornelia, and she has one more question for you. So
Please,
look at the
please.
camera.
What is it like in India?
Oh, we asked that already. I'm sorry. We asked that
No problem.
question already, and they answered it
No problem,
already.
no problem.
Okay, and Lucas, you have a question for them? You need to listen so we don't repeat the question. Lucas, come. Say your name. This is Lucas. Say hi. Say hi, Lucas.
I am Lucas. What type of food do you eat?
Your favorite food.
Yeah.
Before you answer, I'm gonna tell you something. I love Indian food, and my daughter loves it so much. There is an Indian food, an Indian restaurant by my house that we go very, very often. And we really, really, really love the naan bread. It's delicious. And the way you prepare the lentils is delicious. We love it.
Are you able to see? Are you able to see the pictures?
Yes, yes, we see the pictures.
So here is the breakfast. Breakfast. And the breakfast.
Oh, that's a big breakfast. Okay, wait. Okay. Oh my God, the curries, we love that.
This is our favorite. This is our favorite.
What is that? How do you say it? Biryani? How do you say it?
Yeah, it's a biryani. It's a Indian favorite dish, and every
So
Indian
famous
loves-
in India.
Yeah, everybody wants to eat it.
Oh, wow. Fancy.
We love to
Yes,
eat it.
fancy.
So students, how many of you like to eat biryani? Raise the hands. How many of you like to eat biryani? So almost everyone wants to eat biryani.
So biryani is kind of like rice, and what else is in there?
Yeah, it's a combination of rice and the spices. The spice, India is famous for spicy food. Spices,
I
so many
know.
spices are there. We mix
I
the
know.
spices with the rice. So that makes this particular dish so special.
Very nice, very nice. Well, I love the naan bread. I love it. That's one of my favorite things to eat. Anybody has any questions? Okay. It has to be, you have a question. No, you had a question already about the food. You had a question already. Do you have a question for us? Because I know that you have to leave in 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's a 4 minutes time is left. The students, do you have any question? So 4 minutes time is left. If you want to ask any question,
Sir,
please go
can
ahead. Yes.
Sir, can I ask?
Yes, Manaka, would you like to ask a question?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, please go ahead.
Hi, ma'am. My name is Ninika. I am studying 8th class. My hobbies are reading books, playing games, and watching TV. Can I ask one question, ma'am?
Absolutely, Manika. Go ahead.
Why do many people like to move to Florida?
Can you repeat the question? Oh, why
Why
many
do
people
many people like to move to Florida?
to move to Florida?
Yeah.
That's a very good question because we have a lot of people moving to Florida, like a lot, like thousands of people. Yes. Okay, who wants to answer this question? Why do you think a lot of people come here to move? DeAndre, you want to? Come. No, I didn't mean to. Come. Jasmine, you want to answer why a lot of people come here to leave? Why people like to come here and move? Okay. I need somebody else. Come on. David, come. Come, David. Come. Danny, come, because you just moved to Florida. Come to Miami. Okay, well, Jacqueline, come.
Yeah.
This is Jacqueline, and he moved from California. So he's gonna tell you why he moved here and why he likes it so much.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
Listen.
One, there's more beaches here. Two, it rains a lot, which is one of my favorite weathers. And three, a lot of stuff here isn't as expensive as it is in California.
That's good answer. Absolutely good
Yes.
answer.
California is way more expensive, but people move to Florida and Miami especially because of, well,
It's also
the culture, like it's very animated, it's very festive, I would say. Like there are so many restaurants and so many clubs and so many places to go, and the beaches are very popular, so people really love the weather like
Yeah.
spending the time outside. We have a lot of places to visit, like many, many, many places to visit. Many places for the kids to go to. A lot of museums. I would say it's a fancy lifestyle. That's why
Yeah.
people like to come here. But it's way too many. We have a lot of people here.
Yeah, thank you so much. So thank you
Okay.
so much. Time is ticking. Thank you so much for your valuable time, and we enjoyed this session so much. So students, say bye to our guest teacher and the students.
Thank you, boys and
Bye,
girls.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, guys.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Nice to meet you guys.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.